Our trip to Ravishing Retreat began with a beautiful drive from Electronic City. The morning breeze, the smooth roads, and cheerful faces all set the perfect start to our journey. On the way, we stopped at Rajathagiri Palace for a traditional South Indian breakfast. Crispy dosas, soft idlis, and hot filter coffee kits were excited, while elders enjoyed every bite with laughter and conversation. Finally, we arrived at Ravishing Retreat. The calm greenery, the peaceful surroundings, and the serene pathways welcomed us warmly. Just walking through the resort already felt refreshing. After a smooth check-in, we settled into our rooms, ready for a day full of fun, food, and memories. Soon, it was time to recharge with a delicious lunch spread. As night fell, the magic began. Singing together, sharing light-hearted conversations, and enjoying the company of friends and family under the open sky.
प्यार से खुदी ने दीवाना मेरा नाम रख दिया.
The next morning started in a refreshing way, brushing with neem-sticks, soaking in the fresh air, and capturing candid moments with Neha auntie and Divya auntie. Then came the adventure. Ziplining, rope cycling, and exciting activities brought waves of joy, thrill, and endless laughter. Relaxation like the pool, splashing, swimming, and playing together made the morning even more memorable. Later, we all sat together on the lush green lawns unwinding, chatting, and simply enjoying the beauty of nature and togetherness. On our way back, we once again stopped at Rajathagiri Palace for lunch, relishing the taste of South Indian flavors one last time. And just like that, our journey came full circle. Driving back on Nice Road, we carried with us not just memories of Ravishing Retreat, but the joy of spending precious time with friends and family. This trip was all about laughter, love, and togetherness, memories that will last forever.